Hi guys, I just wanted to share a different type of cutting with you that we're trying. Another easy one to take cuttings, the jade plant, also known as a money tree. I can't remember the Latin name for it, but the jade plant. So I've took this off a larger plant. I've just trimmed the bottom. Again, you don't necessarily need to use hormone powder. You can just put it straight in the ground, straight into your pot. But I have got a bit of powder here, so I'm just going to have a dip it in there. I'm going to get a bit on it, as you can see. I don't know if you can see. I've got a pot ready to go. We've watered it. I've got a hole in it. I'm going to just drop that in, pinch it into the soil, and it's as simple as that. Here's one I did about 2 weeks ago. I have uprooted it just so you can see. The root system on it is going pretty good. You might see it better against the background. Like I say, that's took about 2 weeks. I've just had it sat on the windowsill, so it's getting a bit of sun, not too hot, and keeping it well watered. So we'll see how that one goes, but again, very simple, cut in from an existing plant. Have a go, see how you get on. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thanks again, see you soon.